Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I have got to share a swap with you that I received actually a couple of weeks ago, and I just have not made a video. So I was actually waiting for my swap partner, which is Shabby Chic Cheek. Michelle is her first name, and she and I were partners in a Facebook group called Loaded Envelopes Galore and More. And I did not share my swap that I made for her, so I'm going to link hers in the description box. That way, if you want to go see what I made her, you can just click on that link, and I know she's already made a video. So we were to swap an explosion box. So this is it. These are some extra goodies that she sent, and this is the cutest little card, isn't it? This was her card to me, thanking me for the swap and whatnot. Guys, don't pay attention to this area right here. I was actually working on something and I didn't want to clear off my entire area because I'm going to continue working on it right now. So this is the card, and I'm going to move the box out of the way, and we're going to open these items first. So in this, let me see, right here, let me see what's in here, because guys, honestly, I have not really taken a look. Like I said, I got it a couple of weeks ago, but I have not taken a good look to see what she sent me because I wanted to do it with you guys. So let me open this, and oh, how pretty. Look at that. Oh, this is so pretty. Thank you, Michelle. That's so cute. You know, I can, if I don't wear this will look so good on some projects, wouldn't it? Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you, Michelle. So there's that, and let us open this and see what she has included here. And this is a notepad that's very cute, the little mason jar with the flowers, and it's got a pen, a super cute. And it's got magnets on the back. That is really cute. I like that. Thank you, Michelle. And then she has sent me some foam tape from Dollar Tree. Yes, we can always use the foam tape. Thank you, Michelle. Now, let's open this cute little bag. I love it. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Isn't that cute, guys? And if you hear noise in the background, my apologies. My nephew we share a wall, and he's in his room moving things around, and I don't know what else, but there's quite a bit of noise there. And she sent me 2 rolls of bling, green and then the black. Guys, you know I love my bling. She has sent me a package of trim. These are little pom-poms. There's a thinner trim, some rope trim, and look at this one. And then these 2, those are so pretty. Very pretty. Thank you, Michelle. She knows what I like. She knows what I'll use. And oh, here's some more trim. I want to say that this was one of the requirements in the swap, some trim, I believe. So here's this trim that's so pretty. I like that. It's like crocheted trim. Very pretty. And then she sent, oh, how cute. Okay, let me open this carefully. But it was in the bag, so I put it in there. And I want to show you what it looks like. Let me put it in here. How pretty is that? Look, it's got stars. It's got iridescent pink sequins. It's got, oh, that is so pretty. Green. That's a really pretty mix. It matches her, oh, look at these little flowers here. So pretty, Michelle. Thank you. Look, and it's actually a lot of it. There's a lot that fits in this little cup. Wow. And the little cup, that's so cute. I don't have any of the little frap cups. So that is so cute. Love it. Thank you, Michelle. And then she's got the little dangles here at the bottom. This little crystal one, green. This green bead. Very cute little dangle there. So I'm gonna set that aside and then put it in there later. Make sure all of my sequins are in there. I didn't want to spill anything. So this is her box. This is the top of her box. So adorably cute. I love this paper. And she put this image on the front. She put some trim all the way around. She put a cluster of flowers. She tucked in some beads, some curlies. And I love this. I don't think I have any skeleton leaves, skeleton leaf dies. And I've always said that I need to get some, and I just don't. Those are so pretty. And then she put some tails here from a bow. So super cute. There's the other side. Just love this. Love that paper. And the other side. Love that. So when we open it up, I'm hoping that I can get all of it in the video. And it opens that way. Okay. So this is a snug fit. Okay. So each flap has a drawer. And I did tell her that it did bend up a little bit, but you know, it is what it is. You know, the mail isn't always careful with our stuff. So this is the first drawer. Oh, how pretty. Look at the bows that she made. They are filled with sequins and they're made out of fabric. So cute. And I'm sure they were on this acetate. But, you know, and it could have been me that, you know, just from the moving here and there. I don't have the patience to do that. I really don't. So that was in the first box, and this image right here. And then let me turn it over. And then in this drawer, she put her flowers. We were to make some flowers, and these are her handmade flowers. Okay, there we go. That's super cute. And look at all those layers it's got. She put a foam ball in the center. She used a lot of gold. I love the gold. And the blues and the yellows. Very pretty. So she made those. And then she put this in there. These are pretty. Let's open this up. Oh, yeah. I can see this on a dangle, on a project. Very nice. Thank you, Michelle. Okay, so that was in the next box. Then I'm going to flip it over again, and I am going to open this one. Oh, good. And this one has some bling in there. Some of the gold bling from Dollar Tree. Very pretty. Like my bling, but I'm gonna set this one aside so I don't put it back in the box. Okay, and then the last cubby here, the last drawer, has, oh, how funny. Okay, so it's got some bows. These are so pretty. Look at that. These are different. I don't think I've ever gotten these. Those are pretty. I don't know if she used her machine or a die. Oh, goodness. Very pretty, Michelle. Oh, I can definitely use those. And then, guys, I sent her a pokey tool as well. And it's so funny that she sent me a pokey tool. How pretty is this, guys? Look at that. She put some beads. She put my name up here. She put some scissors in the little dangle. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty, Michelle. Look at these beautiful beads. Love it. Yes, and I will definitely be using this. Yeah, we talked about Pokey Tools, and yeah, mine is shot, but you know, I've you know, these days we all have a lot of Pokey Tools. You know, I'm not gonna put this in there. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, then I'm gonna put this back in there. And then in the center of our box, let me flip it over. Okay, so but we got this really beautiful rose here, some more of those skeleton leaves, and then a little spray, and I just love that. It looks really pretty. And this does open up, and when we open it up, the center, the center comes up. There we go. Oh my gosh, how pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, she's got a flower container. She's got some lace trim around the top. She's got a cluster, this beautiful flower arrangement on the top. It is so pretty. She tucks some pearls in. I love that. Tucking in some pearls there. And then she's got a little cluster down here at the bottom with a tiny rose, another pearl. Oh, that is so pretty, Michelle. I think I just put a flower in the center of mine, but oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Love it. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, you did such a good job. I love it. Okay, and then when you close it up, it goes back down. See? There we go. Oh my gosh, I love it. Michelle, you did a really good job. Again, guys, I'm going to link her channel in my description box so that you can see what I made her. And oh my goodness, Michelle, I love everything. Everything you sent was great. Perfect. You know my style, and you know I'll use it all. You know I will. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later. You all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.